The OPPO Reno 15 Pro is officially set to launch in China on November 17th, now looking quite certain that the Reno 15 Pro will in fact be offered in international markets. The Reno 15 lineup will include 3 models: Reno 15, Reno 15 Pro, and a compact Reno 15 Mini. OPPO Reno 15 Pro will be available in Starlight Bow, Chenille Brown, and a new Honey Gold finish. The Reno 15 Pro will sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K flat AMOLED display with a high refresh rate. The Reno 15 Pro features an MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chip, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and a Mali G720MC7 GPU. Reno 15 Pro might carry a triple rear camera unit, with a 200-megapixel primary shooter, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens. 50MP selfie camera. It is said to feature an aluminum alloy frame, weighing about 205 grams, and a 6500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.